The TI-83 and 84 calculators can graph XY functions. In order to do so, some preparation is needed. First, make sure the function is expressed as y in terms of x. Next, decide on a window for the function. In this example, we'll be graphing a sine function expressed in degrees, so we'll set the coordinate window to show x from -90 to 90 and y from -1 to 1. Once you have decided on the coordinates for the viewing window, press the window key to enter them. Again, in this example, we'll have the x-coordinates range from -90 to 90, and the y-coordinates range from -1 to 1. X-scale and y-scale control how many units apart the dots on the display are. For instance, here the x-axis dots are 10 units apart, and the y-axis dots are 1/10 of a unit apart. X-res controls the resolution. Leaving it set at 1 will produce a more accurate graph at the expense of a bit of speed. Remember to use the negative key and not the minus key to enter negative numbers. Once the window is set up, press the y equals key to enter the function. The y equals is assumed by the calculator. Just enter the right-hand side of the expression in terms of x. Once the expression is entered, press the graph button to view the graph. Once a graph has been created, it can be traced with the built-in cursor. With the graph displayed on the screen, press the Trace button. This will place the trace cursor on the graph. Press the left and right arrow keys to move the cursor back and forth along the graph. Approximate cursor coordinates are displayed at the bottom of the screen.